Control M, paragraph intent. Control N, new file. Control O, open. Control P, print. Control Q, add space after paragraph. Control R, reload right alignment. Control S, save. Control T, tab option. Control U, underline. Control V, paste. Control W, close. Control X, cut. Control Y, repeat, redo. Control Z, undo.